Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Richard Cut Professional. So once again with same the routine haircut which called the butterfly layers. So this time we bought something thickness and more densy hair and something more flexible and very straight and even hair. In this haircut you will be seeing that each and every point will be very interesting and watch till the end. It will be stay connect with complete the end. You'll be see the interesting parts to learn from this video. We'll be seeing the most attractive haircuts and skills on this haircut videos, and every each and every sections was same the routines what we done the previous things, but the thing is specifically we just re-practicing each and every day with and scalable each and every day with the scale up with the new techniques after the haircuts. The as it is you see in the butterfly layers which can be consistently which requiring demanding more towards the audience, and the most even the trending on nowadays in the everywhere in social medias. So according to the clients demandable we just filling as to the whatever they're requiring for a haircut. So today the same way just we're going to be discuss about the haircut video which called to the butterfly layers. So as you know very well about the how many sections we willing to take and how we're going to be explain the before start the haircut videos, and each and every step by step each and everything is main points. So let's get started to the complete up to the haircut video. Before start to the haircut video, I would like to ask all of you if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And every time I'm just bringing up to the something new concept up to the videos, and something like along with the round layers, butterfly layers and bottom layers is most of them they are willing to like it all, and for sure it will be any other requirable haircuts, please let me know in the comments below. I'll look it forward for it. After this section I'm just explaining to help up to all the comb sections as well, and finally I'll start with the one length basic for before go to the layering. So the bottom section we just going to be start to the one length basic for step by step. And after that we just started to the one length just like bottom graduations, so which can be next the future carry forward for the elevations for really significant role performing this haircut section. So if you want to save the length, this is the best techniques to be create first in the bottoms layers which is can fundamental base which can be create, and top of that we can just recreate the elevations with a lift up to the hair layers, and apart from the save the length. So something will be different parts, and we will to learn every time with a new ethical haircuts techniques and all. So ensure that practicing which will be make to the something perfection after the end of the day. So without practice we can't see and without we can't learn anything. But ensure we just putting our efforts, that's most more learning ethics. And after the bottom layer, so just take the distribute the small guideline and rest of the hair plaited. And after that I'm just going to be release the crown portion and just occiput crown portion and just start to the elevation after the layering, and center profile I pick as you seen. Now I'm just going to be connect. The thin section step by step. So we consistently we just learning each and every haircut which very thin sections which can be carry forward the haircut very clean and neat. And end of the day even after the haircut texture also we can see anything, nothing small pin after the hair also can't see the unevenness, but still we just after the cut the section each and every section exclusively we cross checking. As of that cross checking I'm doing too, and after that I'll go to another side. The same thin section as pick the guideline as previous sides stationary guideline, and rest of the hair going to be merged in the layers as it is. and after that I'm cross checking. So finally I'm going to release the side sections. As you see, in that same way I'm just directly elevating this haircut with directly on the side portions. Why we can't do it the bottom graduations? Why? Because the side section is very small section and we can just carry forward directly with elevations. As this stationary guideline pick from the back and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers which can be previously had with the guidelines. In the same way we'll following that to the step-by-step thin sections. So ensure when you do the haircuts, this is matters up to the carrying forward of the layering techniques which is can be without the guidelines, nothing will be done. And after that I'm cross checked, and after that I finally come to another side too. So before starting the layer, I'm just giving to the one line basic finish, got finished. Now I'm starting to the stationary guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. As to the other section is got finished, and after that I'm cross checking, and finally I'll release to the center round section, the big horseshoe section. In that also I'm just taking center profile and picking a guideline exactly center of the crown, and going to rest of the hair going to be merging in the 90-degree layers. The last section is going to be finished. After that I'm cross checking, and before that I'm just going to finish with another side too, with the same way the stationary guideline pick from the exactly the previous side, and rest of the hair going to be merging in the layers. And after that I'm cross checking both the sides. And finally I'll come to the fringe sections, which can be unique part in the complete of the haircut, which can be visible very clean, and ambience display something clean and finishing well. The small section I'm taking cutting to the short bangs, and after that I'm just giving to the face framing of curtain bangs as well, because you can just see the new technique on this haircut now with the step by step, all the sides, see that will sliding up, and even the same another side too. And finally again I'm cross checking with twisting ways, completely even. And finally I'm just messy hair layers got released. You can just see complete up to the haircut, which everything is got connected even without the styling, and showing my client to be same after the part. And finally I'll start to the blow dry, which can be need significant styling, which can shows up and give it to the perfection of the layering and movement and flexibility and shape, each and everything it will become in this during of the blow dry. So blow dry which can be made to the hair shape and proper finishing, and atmosphere which looks good, and ambience really good out well, and everything which it will becomes after the transformations complete of the haircut sections after the blow dry, and that will be standing out to the complete after the look makeover completely changed. So ensure after the haircut it will be blow dry. It's a very significant role to the performing, which can be given to the nice finishing on the hair, and also to show to the ambience really good and presentations as well. So ensure the guys, when you've done the haircut, after you done the haircut, make sure to give it to the nice finishing up to the blow dry, whichever you like to be. Give it to the in curls or out curls or spiral blow dry, which can be really deserve about to the according to your haircuts. Please follow the steps and do with that according with the complete of the haircuts. This is 3 steps which can be consistently given to the good finishing up to the haircut, and outcomes very really nice, and it's marvelous and it will stand out well. So ensure after the styling it will be the texture also is majorly impacted something haircut after the haircut done. So ensure which can be given to the proper finishing of blow dry, and the shampoo conditioner will be a matter step before do the stylings and all. Both the 3 sides has got finished, and one more side I'm just going to finish it up. And after finally just got to finish this pending only with the crown sections, and those also too it is going to finish very sooner. The crown section I'm just going to be the center of the crown. And after that I just release with spiral blow dry, and finally I'll come to the fringe sections. Before that, long end hair I'm just going to be released. Finally I'll separately do with a fringe part. So this is a complete of the haircut finishing outlook, and hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. From the front you can just see each and every part is got connected. It's a butterfly waves, you can just see very clearly, and flexible haircut after finishing. And this will be a final finished after the complete of the haircut, and after that I'm just going to start the texturing. The texture will be impact on the haircut, which can be visible clean and neat, and make atmosphere very clear and good even it. The crown 2 section is going to be finished now. The last one more section, and after that the curtain band section is going to be finished. So this is the complete up to the haircut, and hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.